notice a few different things if you're familiar with this area. Plyler Park has installed a new statue in the middle of the park. Also, they're doing a little bit of road construction here. And I say construction loosely because they're restriping the road. They're making it a little more pedestrian and bicycle friendly with these bike lanes on the sides and the new striping. But now with these bike lanes, you cannot park on the actual boulevard. Now you're going to have to find a parking lot that you'll have to pay to park, or a parking meter on one of the side streets. Now this is nothing incredibly new. If we come up here to what was the pavilion site, they already have done this. They've done this on a lot of Ocean Boulevard, but the busiest portion of Ocean Boulevard, which we just passed by the Gay Dolphin and Ripley's, that has always had parking because it is the busiest portion of the boulevard. But now you can't park there. Find a spot somewhere.